welcome back to another video on Jacob's Outdoor Adventures. We're out here today in the woods. It's sprinkling just a little bit, but it'll be alright. We're in a new territory today. I've never been up on this part of the mountain, so we come up here to explore and do a little bit of a hike, and maybe we'll set up that tarp like we did in the last video. I got a little something I want to cook today while I'm out here in the woods, so we'll do that. It's very beautiful out here. I found that out. It's not very far from the road, so if you hear any cars, I apologize. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to welcome you all back to the channel. Wanted to welcome you all back after a long 2 weeks. I know it's been a while. I'll let you in on a little thing why I haven't made a video recently. I've been moving, actually. I've been in the process of packing things in my house and moving. That's why I haven't been here. Anyway, no excuses at all. No excuses. But we'll come back to you guys when we get to where we want to set up that tarp and get to where we want to cook that little thing. Hopefully we can find some dry wood. That would be key. But thank you for coming along. Thank you for sticking with us. Thank you for all the support that we've got from all the new subscribers. It's means a lot when people grow. So you guys hang in there and stick with us, and be back when we get back to the tarp setup. So we were walking out here and we stumbled up upon this. Looks like an old some kind of car. I know that for a fact, but I'm not quite sure how it got here. Honestly, I mean, if you look up the hill there, there's really all these trees are in the way. Ain't none taken out. And if you look the other way, it's the same. I mean, I don't understand. I mean, they got the engine, and they got everything inside the seats and the tires and all the mechanic parts of it, but the exhaust just left an empty shell. They left a cooler. Get this better. Left a cooler, and speaking of shells, found me a turtle shell while I was walking out here. Looked like it's been here a while. It's just starting to peel. Old turtle shell. Found that while I was out here, but thought that was cool that I stumbled upon that out in the middle of, I mean, there is a road close, but no way possible that that car could have, I mean, it could have crashed down here. I'm not really sure, but I just thought I'd show you that, guys. It's pretty cool. I thought that it was out here in the middle of the mountains. Anyway, we're looking for a flat spot put our tarp, and we'll get back to you when we find one. Let you guys look inside of it real fast. It's pretty roomy for one person. I mean, lay your legs back toward the end of it there, and lay your head up toward the front of it here, up by the tree. And the only thing I have is, I'm not sure if that's paracord or a shoelace, but that's the only tie-off point that you have. That's the only source of rope that you use on this tarp. And then, like I said, you take and stake them off with different sticks. This one doesn't want to cooperate. A bunch of rocks right there in the ground. But anyway, you want to point them toward the front of your shelter if you can. Like this one here doesn't want to. Yeah, it'll work. But you take whatever tie-off holes you got, tie them off. It's pretty simple. I got one in every one except for that one there. But guys, it's a pretty simple setup to learn. My dad taught me this setup actually I know you seen him in my last video. I apologize for the wind. I know you probably can't hear me, but we want to try to gather up some firewood here. If we can even get a fire started and try to cook what we brought along with us. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, because I want it to be a surprise. Everybody's probably eating it, but still a surprise. But we'll come back to you when we get our firewood and whatnot, and so that we can build a fire. So I'll see you guys later. We may have something, I don't know yet. Okay guys, so we got enough coal to do what we want to do. This brown paper bag here that I got some spam that I'm going to cook. I just picked up this little thing here before I left the house. It's about $3, not much, but I'm going to try to hopefully fry it a little bit if I can. If I got enough here, it's warm enough to cook. So wish me luck. I'm gonna crack it open here. I'm just gonna crack the corner at first. I know there's usually some water in this. Nope, no water. We'll keep that lid. The bowl here. We'll hopefully get my knife out. We'll bowl here. Well, we can cut some pieces off. Now all we're going to do here, I'm going to take it and I'm just going to cut a couple little slices off of it with my knife. This stuff is good raw. I just wanted to get a few pieces on the camera here for you all to see. Hopefully that's enough heat to cook it. If not, we'll eat it raw. But we'll let that set for a few minutes on them coals. I'm gonna go ahead and get me a piece of it. We will come back to you guys when that gets done cooking. Whenever I get it done the way I want it, and I'll show you the way I eat it. But for now, I'm going to enjoy some of it raw. I was hoping I could get me just a couple pieces of bread, but they didn't sell any. Sorry about that, guys. You kind of blew over with the wind, but we'll get back to you when we have had this Spam cooking for probably about 5, 6, 7 minutes. I know it's not all the way brown the way I want it, but it has started to rain out here. And I really don't want to get soaked. Today was just supposed to be a hike. So we're going to uncover this Spam, take it out, and put it in our plate. And we're going to eat the rest of it real fast. Then we're going to pack everything up, put this little bit of a coals we got here out so it don't catch fire. And I hope you guys have enjoyed the video today. No, I didn't get very much footage, but we come out on a hike just to chill in the woods a little bit, and to make a video for you guys because you guys have supported me so much the past month that it's not crazy. But as you can hear, the rain's coming down. We're going to hurry. We're going to go ahead and uncover this. It's not even brown, but it's warm. It's good enough for me. I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it into my plate here. That's a thick piece there. That'll probably never get done on this little bitty coals I got here. I'll take that off and set it over here a minute, let it cool down. I'm going to run it through that little stream I have. In no way is there a chance of fire today, but guys, this gets a double thumbs up for me. Being cooked on the fire. Wasn't even all the way brown. Boy, is it good. I haven't eaten very much today. We'll go ahead while we're sitting here. We got the camera on here. Put out the fire. I brought a little bit of water along with me. That's about all the coals that I had there to cook that Spam. It don't take much to cook Spam, but fire out. Guys, we're going to start packing up, so we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys keep enjoying the channel. Man, that's good. It really is. I've always loved Spam, but never had it cooked on a fire. Always had it cooked on the stove at home by my mother. but it definitely turned out good. I mean, it's not brown, but it's good. My pan ain't too hot, so thank you guys for coming along with us. Thank you for all the support. Thank you to all my new subscribers here on the channel. Hope you guys enjoy the content. Hope you guys enjoy the type of videos that we do being out here in the woods. Anyway, guys, as we take the last final 2 bites of this, we will see you guys later. I want you guys to look at this tree. It's dead and has fallen from right there on that, but look at all the mushrooms on that thing. It's all the way down it. That's amazing. Never seen that in on one tree, but here they are. We'll try to get an up close picture of them here. They're very beautiful. They've taken over this whole, I mean, look up that tree and look at all the, that's crazy, ain't it? You know, God's creation is amazing, and oftentimes we overlook what God has created for us and what He's given us to enjoy. And we forget about things that are so little but mean so much, like the gift of salvation, how Christ has given that to us. How He showed us a world that is so beautiful just for sinners like me and you. But I'm thankful that I'm able to enjoy the scenery and the things that God has given us and the life that He has given us and the things that are so simple in this world, and yet we forget to thank Him, and we forget to give Him praise sometimes, like He's such a God with a little g. But all in all, He's a God with a big G, and He's the ruler over everything. He's able to do whatever He can, and He's able to do whatever man can't. But I thank God for allowing us to be out here this evening. Thank Him for allowing us to enjoy and to be able to actually get out into the woods and be able to learn to craft off of the land and to be able to enjoy what He's given us. But thank you guys for coming along. It means a lot to me, and it means a lot that all you guys have supported me, and it means a whole lot that Jesus loves me, and he loves you too. So I thank you guys for coming along. We appreciate the support, like we said, and we hope to keep going up this year, not down. We don't want to go down, we want to go up. But thank you guys for coming along in this video, and get out and enjoy what God has given you. It's a gift that if you're able to, there's probably people in the world that wish they could get out and enjoy the things that God's given them, but they're not able to. So if you can, get out and give God a little praise for what He's given you. Just continue to come along with us. We'll see you guys on the next adventure here on Jacob's Outdoor Adventures. But whatever it may be, God will be there with us, and hopefully you guys will enjoy the video, and hopefully you'll be there with us too. And we'll see you guys later.